Okay, so today we are going to do a tutorial on the image slideshow. The image slideshow is our question or problem tool of this tutorial. Um, and I'll show you what it is. For the response, we're using a grid layout, a grid response uh, layout. I'll show you the name of the tool in a second. But basically, it's like four buttons, and you hover over them, and you select one, and that becomes your response. And so when the student submits their response, it tells them whether or not they got it correct, which this is green, highlighted green, so this is correct. And then you saw that the image slideshow transitioned from the first image to the second image. So it is a slideshow, but it is being used here in this question as a to augment the original question so that after the response is given, it just displays some additional information, relevant information, which in this case shows you the evolution of this Hansa character, this Chinese Hansa character, how it started out as a picture and evolved into to become part of the language set, right? So I'm going to show you how to recreate this question today. So let's get started. We're going to go to the Post Quiz tab, and we're going to create a new question, and we're going to open up our notes, and then we're going to start with our directions. So we're going to get a direction tool, which is the header text. So I'm going to copy my text and change font size to 2 and save that. That looks good. Now we're going to move on to the question or problem. So these are images that we're using in the image slideshow. And so for the question or problem, we're going to use the image slideshow, and we are going to take those images and we're going to paste them in, first one, and then I'm going to grab the second one, and I'm going to paste that in, and I'm going to save it, and there you go. So we're going to go test that over here, see what it looks like. Click submit. Boom, there you go. Pretty easy, pretty straightforward. Okay, so now that we've done the question or problem, we're going to do the response, which we're going to use the multi-choice grid for that. So these are multiple choice response tools, right? Multi-choice is multiple choice. And we have grid, row, and column, and we're going to choose grid for this question. So we're going to go to edit, and we're going to copy and paste all of these pictures in. And you'll notice that the title of the picture becomes the title of the image. So it just removes the extension for you and captures the title name. So it will be in your best interest to plan this, to design your quizzes ahead of time and to do the uploads and choose file names that will complement the way that this tool works, right? Um, and save that. And so now you can see it, you can preview it. And so we want to use the titles here because these questions, these response pictures can be interpreted many ways. So we're going to use the title to be specific about what each response means. Save. Okay, there's the title. All right, now we're going to do the answer. The answer is bright, so this is the correct answer, bright. That's the second one, so that's our correct answer. Save. Preview. All right, and now we'll test it. We'll choose together, submit. You see together is wrong, it's red, and bright is in green, correct? And this transition, okay? So that's it. That's it for the image slideshow. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one.